Are you aspiring to become a sensation on platforms like Instagram or YouTube? Well, here's a quick and potent method that you should definitely consider. The niche I'm about to unveil isn't swarmed with content creators yet, so it's a smart move to act promptly before it becomes fiercely competitive. Let's dive into the process. The niche we're exploring is dark psychology, and I'm here to guide you step by step on how to craft captivating videos in this style using the power of AI. Just imagine having a channel with a mere 47 short videos, and yet it boasts around 360,000 subscribers and is even monetized. That's the incredible potential of the dark psychology niche. Now, let me walk you through the steps of creating videos like these.
Emotional manipulation is a potent tool employed to control and take advantage of others psychologically. Typically, it revolves around the intimidation of withholding affection or approval, unless the targeted...
With a straightforward and systematic approach. To begin, we need a script. Head over to Google and scout for articles related to dark psychology. Pick a section that resonates with you, and then request ChatGPT to give it a unique twist to avoid any copyright concerns. ChatGPT can swiftly rephrase it for you in just a few seconds. Voila! Now we have a distinct script ready to be utilized. Moving forward, let's work on the voiceovers. We'll be leveraging 11 Labs, a fantastic platform. Start by signing up for a free account, then choose a suitable AI voice. My suggestion is to go for a deeper voice, particularly fitting for this niche. Copy the script generated by ChatGPT and let 11 Labs 5 work its magic to generate your voiceover in a matter of seconds. Now, let's gather some striking images for the video background. We'll utilize Leonardo AI, an excellent AI tool. Pick a model as we did before and use the same prompt. Ensure the images reflect themes associated with dark psychology, such as manipulation or other intense concepts. Generate and download about 6 to 8 suitable images. With the script, voiceovers, and images at our disposal, it's time to edit the video. Our tool of choice for this is Canva, a free and user-friendly video editing website. Click on Create a Design and search mobile video. Import the voiceovers and images and arrange them on the timeline. Add transitions and effects to make your video even more engaging. Don't forget captions. Customize the captions, making them bold and using simple colors. Add animations for a dynamic touch. To elevate the video further, introduce some background music. Platforms like Pixabay offer a variety of free music options. Download your preferred music and add it to the timeline, adjusting the volume as needed. And there you have it, a complete video, ready for export. Here's a little secret to boost your views and impressions on YouTube: the strategic use of relevant keywords. Identify competitors with higher views and incorporate their keywords into your videos. This simple yet effective step can significantly amplify your results. Consistency is the linchpin on YouTube. Aim to upload a minimum of 4 videos per day. And if you're hungry for more tips on discovering trending topics and securing more views as a beginner, just let me know. I might whip up an in-depth tutorial just for you. And that, my friend, is the recipe for creating engaging videos that truly stand out. For more insights and tutorials, stay tuned.